Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Arduino IDE on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Arduino, and the first link which will appear here will be from Arduino.cc. So we are going to click on this link, and once this website opens, you need to click on the software tab here, and straight away you can see the Arduino IDE 2.3.2 is the latest version at the time of making this video. And on the right hand side, you can see the download options. So for Linux, we have two options. One is zip file option and other is AppImage option. We are going to choose the AppImage option. So just click on AppImage 64-bit here. And then if you want, you can contribute to Arduino IDE. Otherwise, click on just download. And also, if you want, you can give your email address here. Otherwise, you can click on just download button, which is going to start the download of this Arduino.app image file. Once this file is downloaded, we are going to see how we can install the Arduino IDE using this app image file. So now, once again, I'm going to go to the home page of Arduino, which is arduino.cc, right? Here you need to click on documentation, and then here scroll down a little and click on the software section, and then you can click on Arduino IDE 2. The legacy version is 1.8, but the newest version for Arduino is Arduino IDE 2. So click on Arduino IDE 2 here, and then under this section, you can see downloading and installing the Arduino IDE 2 section. So click on that. Here you will see the procedure of how you can install Arduino on various operating systems. Our system is Linux, so I'm going to scroll a little bit down, and here I can see the process using which I can install Arduino. So first of all, I need to change the permission for this app so that I can execute this .amp image file, and this is the image which shows us how we can do it. So I'm going to just click on the files option here and click on the downloads folder, and this is the file which we have downloaded, right? So right click on this Arduino file which we have downloaded, and then click on properties here, and then you can see this option here which says executable as program. So just toggle this button, which makes this .app image file an executable file. Once you are done, click on close button, and then we are going to move to the next section. So just scroll down a little once again, and then you need to give these two commands on your Ubuntu operating system. You can see in Ubuntu greater than 22.04, we need to give these two commands in order to fulfill all the prerequisite of installing Arduino. So we are going to just copy the first command here, and then open the terminal. So to open the terminal, I'm going to minimize this browser and then click on Show Apps icon and then click on Terminal option. And then I'm going to right click and paste this command and then press enter, and then give your Ubuntu's password which you use to log into your Ubuntu operating system, and then press enter, which is going to show you this kind of output. Here you just need to press enter, and it's going to finish this command. Once this command is finished, we need to just go to the documentation once again, and we need to install this libfuse2 package also. So right click and copy this command, and then right click on your terminal and then paste this command, and then press enter once again, which is going to install this library. So once you have given both these commands and we have changed the permissions on our .app image file, I can right click on this file and then click on run here. So I'm going to click on run, and this is going to launch the installer for Arduino. So I'm going to minimize this window, and you can see the launcher for Arduino IDE has been started. So here I'm going to click on agree, and now the Arduino IDE has been started on my Ubuntu operating system, right? So you can see the sample sketch here. You can also see the output here, and then you can also create new sketch or open your projects from here. And you also have the option to verify and compile your sketches or upload your sketches from here. So you have all these sections here, right? You also have this kind of sketchbook section, and then you have the board managers, and then you also have the library manager. So all these sections are available here. So from now onwards, you can start using your Arduino IDE on your Ubuntu operating system. So you just need to make sure that you need to run this .appimage command in order to run Arduino. So what I generally do is I generally move this file to a section where I don't delete this Arduino IDE. So I'm going to right click here and then cut this file, and generally I put it into my documents folder so that I can come to this folder and run it from here. I can double click on this file also, which is also going to launch the Arduino IDE. So this is how you can install Arduino IDE on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.